Hello and welcome back to the Andian Motorsport channel. Today we're going to do the gearbox autopsy. As I said before, we'll tear this apart and see what damage it's done. So now's the time we're going to tear it apart, but let's first start with draining the oil. Let's see what lovely surprises we've got that are going to jump out from that. So let's crack on. This is the drain plug. It's a 17mm Allen key. And it's quite tight. Okay, let's try again. Let's try undoing this drain plug again. Oh dear, we've got problems. Big problems. It started to move. Now I don't know what's going to come out of here, but I know it's going to be rough. Now let's see what happens when I tilt the gearbox up. Yep, there goes my tool. To be honest, that's disappointing. I thought I was going to get more than that. But as you can see by the colour, when I shine a light on it, it's really sparkly. That's metal. You shouldn't have metal coming out like that. So let's pull it apart and see what it looks like inside. Right. I don't know much about stripping gearboxes, but we'll have a go. And just to start, these 3 bolts on the end are 9, so we'll start here. And yep, stuck. Not stuck. Now, for anyone who has stripped a gearbox, they know what this smells like. And oh god, this is making me want to vomit. This is not clever. go for this one next. 6mm Allen key in the diff housing. Little spring and oh, I have no idea, but it's broken up. Next, I'm going to assume this somehow. I'll take that one out because I know I can do that. Whoever invented Torx, you need to be shot. There we go. Ugh. This is really not a lovely smell. There appears to be no teeth chipping here, so next I can only assume remove this little clip. Screwdrivers. There's probably someone somewhere moaning about incorrect tool usage. Yeah, well, I don't care. This is going to fight me every step of the way. Aren't you? I wonder. If I try and do that with my right hand, This is not fun. I'll come back to you when I've got this off. Well, I haven't got it off, but I have. If in doubt, get the cutter out. Cut it. Just enough to get it off. And that I'm not worried about because it's not ever going back together. Oh, there appears to be something in there. I'm going to hazard a guess and say that's a 6. It is. Ah, there we go. That's a selector, I think. That's a selector fault. I think that's a selector. So now this should... Aha! There we go. Ah, it's got a little ball on the bottom of it. And that's got a little spring clip. And that doesn't feel clever. But now how do I get this out? Like that. Is it like that? Do I have to pull it this way now? What do I do? I don't know. It's not like it's going back together. Nope. There we go. Out it come. Spring clip. For something. Oh, here we go. Metallic paste. Lovely. Now how do I get this off? Someone will probably say, oh, you need a puller. I don't have one. Not sure if that's... Oh, it has moved it. What I need is another equally big one. And... oh. Do I go underneath that? Yeah. I've got a feeling it shouldn't. There we go, drop that one down. Bit that side. Bit that side. And off. That's a synchro. That, oh, there we go. That pushes onto that. Yeah, right. This is what slows this down so that this that goes on here and is locked in by them can be joined like that. Now that's in gear. When you take it out of gear, snap, that comes away, that spins separately. The synchro pushes on that tapered fitting and that tapered fitting, slows the gear down. Come on you go. Stop. Stop playing hard to get. How does it go that way? That way. Yeah. I'm not Gearbox. Okay. This one is now a bundle of joy, aren't you? Okay. There, movement. Haha. Ooh. I don't know how well you can see, but that isn't a straight cut down. That is helical cut. So that one comes off as a twist. Now I don't know what. Is there bearings? Oh, there's a bearing. That's got a little break in it. Looks like it's designed to, for some reason. What's this? A lot of play. I think it's a lot of play. I don't know. It might be right. I have no idea. I'm going to drain this out into that can. Actually, I'm going to take this off first. That one? Nope. That one. That one might undo it. That one has undone it. This is a reverse light switch. That's very easy. I wonder what they do. Are they that size? Or are they this size? They're this size. I'm going to take them out. Okay. Oh, that one's longer and covered in metal filings. It goes in there. Wipe my fingers and drain the oil. I've got metallic gloves. Well, it's sort of weed everywhere, and on this side there is also what appears to be exactly the same. Stack that there, and there's one bit of that brass thing. wonder what that is. Too small. Where's the other one? There. Correct size. Ah, I think I know what that is. That goes on the rod, and there's little cutouts on the rod that ball and plunger system gives you the notch for third or fourth, and obviously when you turn it, first, second. Speedo drive, plastic, there you go. Uh, 13mm bolts, so I'll get a short extension. Oh, long, fell off. There goes something, there we go. Ah, something's gone on there. Probably me. One, two, three, four, 5 bolts in there. There's one there. I need to get a wobble socket for that one. There we go. Now, that could be everything, but I doubt it, because that would be too easy. But we'll have a look. Well, it's moved. It's opening. Oh, another bit of the brass thing. Thingy, oojima, what's it? Put this on the floor, out of the way. I want that. Huh, it's come apart. I didn't expect it to be this easy. Haha, found ya. There we go. Oh, there's the shifty rod. They are the cutouts I was talking about, that the ball pokes up on. That does some, oh, here we go, on that. but this is the remnants. This is the final drive, this is the diff, that is part of the thing that sits in there. Now, I never had a problem with the final drive. It worked, but it's taken big chunks out of it. I wonder if I can lift the diff out. Huh! Well, that was easy. Yes, there we go. Bit more of the brass thing. Does this come out like this? I don't know. Maybe not. But these in here are splined, and that's what the drive shafts go in. And that sits, drive shaft in there, drive shaft in there. The diff! This smell of gear oil is sickening. It is what can only be described as vile. Oh, hello. Really vile. Okay. I'll tell you what to do first. I'll wipe my hands. I'll try and... There we go. Move that over there. I'll put a white sheet of paper. Just got stabbed by something sharp, something broken, obviously. That is a magnet. Yep. That is bits of teeth. I wonder how hard it is to get these out. Ah, okay. There's some whiz trickery needed to be done here, and something in there, maybe. Oh, hang on. Have I just... No, that was reverse. Nope. Okay, now I'm stuck. That looks like fun. And that's fourth gear. I'm assuming that's fourth. I'm kind of hoping it's fourth and not something else. Oh, there's a bearing and a washer plate thing. I'm now stuck with this. How do I get this out? There's probably someone screaming, "Just do this! It's really easy!" And there's me going, "I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know." How's that held down? Damn. Time to change gloves. Oh, we go. Oh, there you go. That is, I'm assuming fourth. Whatever it is, it's dead. Now this is like nope, not like that. Not like that. Not like that. Do these move back? Does that? What about if that? Oh no, hang on, that one does that one. Nope. And nope. So what if I